So here we have a PlayStation 5 console with the HDMI socket issue. Just to quickly show you, this is what's happening. So the pins are damaged on this socket. If I try to plug in a HDMI cable, it's wobbly. It moves a lot. It doesn't stay in place. So that's the problem. We'll be opening it up. We'll be desoldering this HDMI socket and placing a brand new one. Alright, let's get going. Alright, let's open up our PS5. Step 1, we'll be opening up the side panels. So look for this PS logo. So we will be lifting up the slides from this from here and this one from here and sliding it that way. So lift it up. So this comes off. And next is this side. So lift up, slide that way. Next, remove the fan grill. So grab your plastic pry opening tool and take it out. Next, we'll be removing the fan. So there are 4 screws holding the fan. So this one is a large, the long one. These 2 are similar length, and that's a small one. Let's remove the fan cover and remove the cable first. So this comes off easily. Gently rock back and forth and disconnect the fan cable. Take out these 4 screws. So I tend to keep all the screws with the fan grill, just so you know where all the screws go. So keep it like this. Next, we'll be removing the SSD bay cover. So grab your Phillips 00 screwdriver and take it out. Next, we'll be removing the top cover. So on this right side, these 4 screws are of different length, and from this side, these all 6 screws, they are of the similar length. So these 2 are long screws and these are medium screws. These 2, I tend to call them medium screws, and this side has all the similar length screws. So I'm just gonna mark it down so you know exactly where they go. And we have a silver Blu-ray drive screw. So let's just remove these 5 screws first. Next, these 2 medium length screws, and last, this Blu-ray drive screw. Alright, this side is done. Next is this side. So peel off this warranty sticker. It's already out of warranty, so you can remove this. Next, press it down here and lift up your bottom cover from here. You just don't want to lift up the Blu-ray drive because there are 2 cables connected. Next, we'll be removing the Blu-ray drive. So we'll be removing, we only need to remove the cables from the motherboard and not here. So gently press down on this tab and disconnect it, and take out the power cable. Next, we'll be disconnecting these 2 flex cable and 4 antenna cables. They're already marked down. So for example, this is written white here, this is written blue here, that's black, and the white one goes here. So take it out. Okay, next there are 30 screws on the heatsink silver plate, but there are 4 screw holes that we need to mark it down so we don't place the screws in these ones. So no screws go in here. So no. Rest, there are 30 silver screws, so take them off. gently pull this out. Next we'll be removing the heatsink clamps and disconnecting this power board cable. So let's just disconnect this power board cable. So press down on this tab and take it out. Remove the heatsink clamps. Next we have 3 motherboard screws, so 2 silver screws here and 1 black screw here. So take this off. Now we should be able to lift up our motherboard. So there's 2 power supply pins connected here. So pull it up. Okay, let's prep our board. Step 1, add some flux and add fresh new solder. Then we'll be prepping it all up with the low melting solder like chip quick. Let's get going. So apply flux. Next, grab your low melting solder chip quick and place it on the HDMI socket. Next is the heat gun removal of the HDMI socket. So this is our process. Let's go. Alright, let's put our console back together. So align the 2 power supply pins with these 2 pinholes. Press it down. Next, place the 3 motherboard screws, so 2 silver screws and 1 black screw here. Next, place the heatsink clamps there. Next, connect this power board cable. So gently press on this tab and slide it in. Next, grab the heatsink silver plate and place it in. Grab this piece, place it in. Next, connect these 2 flex cables. Next, apart from these 4 screw holes, we'll be placing the 30 heatsink plate screws. Next, we'll be connecting these antenna cables. So feed these through here. They're all labeled, so white one, blue one, black one, and this white one here. Just make sure these antenna cables are away from these 2 screw holes. You can place some brand new electrical tape. Next, grab your Blu-ray drive and place it in. Connect the data cable and the power cable. Press on this tab. Connect the power cable. Next, grab your top cover and slide it in. So these 4 screws, so these 2 are the similar length. These are the long screws, these 2 medium screws, and this one, the Blu-ray drive silver screws, go here. And on this side, all of these 6 screws are of similar length. So place these screws in. Put the 2 long screws first. Place the Blu-ray drive. Another word of advice, you can visually check if all these screws must be visible. So if there are screws, if you have accidentally placed the screws, you gotta redo it all. So just make sure to double check this. Place the 6 remaining screws. Next, let's connect our fan. So simply slide it in. Connect the power cable. The long screw go here. 2 medium ones and 1 small. Place this fan cover. Grab the fan grill. Align these 2 sides first and press it down. Connect the SSD bay cover. Slide it in. Next, remove these. Flip it over. And look for this PS logo, and we'll be placing our top and bottom cover. So These pointy holes, they go that way. So just slide it once connected. So this has the Blu-ray drive, and these pointy holes. Yes. Alright, I've connected it all up. Let's test it out and see if it all works.